What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Wait, welcome back. You're probably new to the channel if you're watching this video, but 5 reasons to buy a motorcycle. If you're watching this video, you probably should just go buy a motorcycle. But if you need some convincing, here's 5 reasons you should buy a motorcycle. Reason number 5, it's way more fun than a car. Car's cool. Some cars can be fun, but you're not gonna be like, you're not gonna be like gassing it at every light. That's just not practical. But a motorcycle, you can gas it at every light, and everybody expects you to, and it's practical and it's fun. And every time you pull the throttle, 20 minutes in a car, sometimes it feels like an hour. 20 minutes on a motorcycle feels like 10 minutes. It's just more enjoyable. Taking turns and curves and things like that on a motorcycle, way more fun than a car. Got an excuse to not bring people with you or not drive people. Number 4, you get amazing gas mileage, like a stupid number. Like my bike, I think it's 70 plus 75 miles to the gallon. And it's getting that on average while I'm just, it's so much better. You're gonna triple your gas mileage minimum, usually depending on what car you compare it to. Super good gas mileage. So if you need to save money, that's the way to do it. Which brings me to number 3. It's cheaper in general. Cheaper to maintain, cheaper to own. You don't need to buy a $30,000 sport bike. There are motorcycles for a couple $1,000s. There are motorcycles for under $1,000 you could buy that would be reliable for a time period. That's a good reason to buy a motorcycle. Tires cheaper. You only have 2 of them. Oil change is cheaper. Parts, not always, but generally cheaper on motorcycles. So 2, especially if you live in a big city, parking and traffic is like a breeze with a motorcycle. You can park a motorcycle almost anywhere. I mean, you kind of got to be careful with where you park it depending on legal parking. You don't want to park at a no parking spot. You can park in between spots, and most people don't care. You can park multiple motorcycles in one car spot. And then traffic. If lane splitting is legal in your state, if you live in a big city and it's congested traffic, you can just lane split and just fly right through traffic. I mean, you can cut your traffic time down by 75% just lane splitting in big cities. And reason number 1, the community. The community's sick. I mean, everybody's there to help each other. People in the bike community, whether you ride a sport bike or a cruiser, there's a little animosity there. If you ride a sport bike, cruiser, supermoto, adventure bikes, everybody just kind of gets along. You just have one thing that all those people can relate to, and it pretty much makes you almost instant friends, except for some of these Harley guys. Motorcyclists just kind of stick together. If you're on the side of the road on a motorcycle, you can almost guarantee if another motorcycle rides by, they're going to stop to help you out. As long as they're like a legit motorcycle rider and whatnot, they follow the code. But you're more likely to have a motorcycle stop for a motorcycle that's broken down than you are to have a automobile driver stop for a car that's broken down. And then a little bonus reason, the real reason is the freedom. Owning and riding a motorcycle, you just feel so free. You do whatever. You're out in the open. You get the breeze. You get to enjoy the elements. You're not fixed on the atmosphere inside your car. It's more freedom. You just feel more alive. Makes me miss, it's snowing out right now. Makes me miss having my motorcycle out. I'm ready for winter to be over, and it's only December. It's gonna be a long winter for me. Anyways, that's my 5 reasons why you should buy a motorcycle. If you're on the fence, just go buy a motorcycle. And go to Macomb Power Sports, because those guys are sick. If you're in Michigan. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up. If you want more content like this, suggestions, let me know in the comments below. And subscribe, turn the bell notification on, do all that fun stuff. Ride safe. We'll see you next time.